Welcome to Unity's prayer service for this month of February 2024. As we invite you to get still, to close your eyes if you're comfortable to do so, know that as we come together in prayer, that we include all the names that have been shared with Silent Unity, our prayer ministry. We do so with faith, so that as we get quiet and still, we invite our bodies to a deeper relaxation and stillness. And we withdraw our attention from the world around us, turning our thoughts inward to the spaciousness of spiritual awareness, where we can know and experience the divine. As we begin, our thoughts become still in a state of peace. We turn our attention within to find divine peace, the source of silence and stillness. We become keenly aware of God as peace in the heart of our being. Our bodies and brains respond in a holy hush, experiencing peace throughout our being. In this time of silence, we are peace. Love is our name, compassion our practice. God is love, the unifying power within. We are divine love, able to foster harmony and unity in our relationships. We never need worry that love could run out, for love is infinite, and we are infinitely able to express love. We trust the love that God is and that we are, extending compassion to ourselves and others as we hold the silence. In this quiet time, we embody divine wisdom. Knowing God is the source of wisdom within, we rely upon intuition for all that is important in life. We meet every question or quandary with a listening spirit and a discerning mind. In the silence, we are inspired. In action, we make wise choices. We are wisdom. I am a channel for the flow of abundance. We are a channel for the flow of abundance. In the silence and stillness of prayer, we turn within to infinity, the fullness of abundance. In prayer, we recognize a continuous flow of divine ideas by which we prosper. We affirm all our needs are met, and we enjoy the blessings of an abundant universe. Overflowing in appreciation, we embody generosity. Centered in wholeness, I am healthy. Centered in wholeness, we are healthy. We turn within now to divine wholeness, the reality that although we are fully human, we are fully divine. No matter what occurs in our human experience, we anchor our awareness in divine wholeness. We cooperate with our divine nature by which we declare, in truth, I am healthy, I am whole, I am divine. As we close this time of prayer, we breathe in peace, love, wisdom, abundance, and wholeness. Whether our prayer time was focused on personal concerns or the intentions of others, we instruct our minds to proceed from prayer to aligned action in our day. Confidently, we bless one another as we breathe together in the spirit of divine love in which we are one, closing with the unity prayer for protection to include the I am statements that is God speaking through us. The light of God surrounds us. I am light. The love of God enfolds us. I am love. The power of God protects us. I am power. The presence of God watches over us. I am presence. Wherever we are, God is. I am divine. And so it is. Amen. Bless you, and thank you for being part of our prayer service this month.